Hi! In front of me is VIVO IQOO U5X, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message on this device. First of all, open Messages app and select one of your chats. Then click on this plus icon at the bottom left corner and select Files category. Now you can select your files over here right away, or make it easier by tapping on those two filters, audio and videos. You can also select one of those apps or click on three lines at the top left corner and choose one of the available sources, like downloads. When you finished, just hold your file, in my case this audio one, and choose Select at the top right corner. As you can see, after that, my audio was successfully added to text message. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!